Hello fellow hobbyists, Jis here. This is the third video of the Fortified Town Wall series. In this episode, I'll paint some of the doors and add weather effect to make them look as real as possible. This video is a simple visual guide to help paint wooden elements on your models. I won't explain all the steps in detail, but I'll show you the colors I use. I invite you to ask questions in the comment section if you want more details. Note that I'll be using Vallejo colors, but any hobby paint will work just as well. If you ever need paint or a good brush, and you're in USA or Canada, I invite you to have a look at Fenris Workshop online store. They offer free expedite shipping on all orders above 100 Canadian dollars. They specialize in wargaming miniatures and everything related to the hobby. I'll leave a link to their website in the description. Check it out. If you wish to register using the link, we'll both receive 300 loyalty points. We're almost done with this short video. I hope you liked it. If you enjoy my work, a like is always very appreciated. Don't hesitate to subscribe to the channel and share my videos with your friends. In the next episode of this series, I'll be painting wooden surfaces inside the town gate and the tower. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep on painting and take care.